delicious Jamaican Gungo soup full of salt beef and lots of goodies. If you want to see how I achieve this one, just keep on watching. So, welcome back to the channel. For my returning supporters, welcome. Thanks for joining me back again. And for those of you coming for the first time, thank you for joining me. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to become an official member of the family. Also, guys, please check out my channel membership where you get first and look of my videos and also extra perks. So, let's jump into this video, guys, to prepare this delicious pot of soup. Keep on watching. So here we're jumping straight into the video, and the first call of action is to put our salt beef to boil to get rid of some of the salt. So I'm going to rinse this well and put to boil. I'm going to change the water until the salt volume is good enough. Next, I'm going to add my dried gungo. I'm going to wash this and put to boil also. Fresh gungo is also great for making this soup, but this is what I have available, hence I'm using my dried pack gungo peas. And I'm doing this in the pressure pot, and I'm going to add enough water to cook this halfway through. Then we're going to add some more ingredients. So I'm going to add my garlic, cover my pressure pot, and allow this to start the cooking process. So here we're moving on to the fresh ingredients, fresh meat, and this is chicken feet or chicken foot and some fresh beef. And we're going to clean our chicken feet, wash well with vinegar, and we're going to season those along with the beef and put to marinate until we open the pressure pot halfway through. So just keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you further on in the video. A lot of video of me making dumpling doughs, hence I didn't elaborate on that one. So I'm putting my dumpling dough aside, and I'm going to work on my starter for my food base, and those are the pumpkin, the carrot, and the Irish potato. We're going to peel these, wash, and cut in smaller pieces so those can boil and start to give the soup some thickness. So just keep on watching, guys. as you see, soft and tender. Now to the third step that we mentioned, we're going to add the starter base. This is going to give the soup some body, which I mean by thicken the soup. Yes. So while that is in the pot cooking away, I'm going to prep my breadfruit, my yam, my sweet potato. So we'll work on those. We'll cut these in small pieces to add to our soup pot. So just keep on watching, guys. Okay, the starter has been cooking for 10 minutes. So now we're going to add our breadfruit, yam, our sweet potato, and we're going to make our spinners for our soup. Other ingredients we'll be needing is coconut milk. You can use powder, can, or fresh coconut milk. I'm using the powder, which is available home at this moment. I have my corn pieces, I have scallion, thyme, add pepper. I'm adding a bay leaf. I'm going to use a pumpkin noodle and a katsu noodle, which is available home. I'm going to use some complete season if needed. So I'm just going to stir my pot well and allow this to come to a good boil. Then I'm going to add my coconut milk, ground fruit, and our dumpling to the soup. I'm adding my coconut milk. This is not in any specific order. You can add it as the meat and your peas cooked, but now I'm adding it after adding my food. So I'm just going to allow this to boil. Then we'll come back and add our noodles and season. So here we're back and I'm going to add my noodle. I'm going to use a pack of pumpkin noodle along with some cock soup. That's what I have available to me. Grace cock soup along with some Grace pumpkin noodle. And I'm going to stir this well so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot and allow this to boil a little. This has been bubbling away. I'm going to add my fresh spices, scallion, thyme, add pepper. In the add pepper, I pierced it with cloves. That's totally optional. I'm going to use a bay leaf, and I'm also going to add my corn pieces. So I'm just going to allow this to boil for a couple of minutes, come together, and taste and adjust if needed. This has been boiling for around 20 minutes, and as you see, I'm tasting this to see if it needs something more. And as you see, I remove my bay leaf. It already did its job, so I remove it. I'm adding a bit of complete season, and then I'm going to allow this to just boil for a few more minutes. Then it's time to serve. So if you're watching to this far, guys, and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment, and also put your notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And to be exact, we are at day 14th already in the new year. I hope that this year is going good so far for you guys, so let's keep it that way. So this soup is ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoy this one, and for those of you in the cold climate, this will definitely comes in handy. So guys, please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below, and for those of you who haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment and put your notification bell on. Also, another tip, guys, please check out my channel memberships where you'll find first hand look of what's going on behind the scenes of all my videos. And this is packed with yam, sweet potato, dumpling, breadfruit, and lots of goodies. So let me stop my mumbling. So catch you in another upload, guys. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now. I have to go eat now. Bye, guys. Happy Saturday.